nice, beautiful, sunshiny day. Temperatures are going to vary from 65 to 72, with a nice cool breeze coming in at 5 miles per hour. Perfect for anyone who wants to have a beautiful day. A bike ride, a walk in the park, watch the birds, feed the birds, be a bird. Anything you want to do is possible on this wonderful, perfect, sunshiny, warm day. Please enjoy all weather activities such as flying a kite, going and buying a balloon, taking that special somebody to get a lovely ice cream cone. Today is the day that you can do whatever you want. Please, do not be shunned by anything that could possibly go wrong, because your day is going to be beautiful, warm, sunshiny, clear, and fantastic. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Hey,
Oh, hey, man.
what are you doing?
So, your mom called me, said you had a lot of chores to do, so I thought I'd come over and help.